Hello. I'm at my friend's house. You guys hear her? Do you want to be shown? Do you want to be shown?
No.
Okay, fine. She doesn't want to be shown, apparently. She's wearing a Freddy Krueger shirt. And now she's got her Freddy hat on. And yeah, I'm bored.
What?
You're not wearing a pretty shirt.
Get off! Get off, Freddy! You smushed his Freddy.
Okay, fine. I'll get off Freddy. But he was enjoying it. Okay, I'm rude though. Oh my god, gummy bear necklace! Gummy bears. I'm bored. As I said before. Oh yeah, this is my new bracelet. It says, it's showtime! Then it also has 90% mental. Oh yeah. Got sexy. Let's see. It's got a Freddy Ghost. What are you doing? That was inappropriate.
Oh, come on. Freddy.
She just gave us the Freddy middle finger. Anyways, peace. Hi guys, again. Yeah, I'm bored. Anyways, cat. Hi. Again. And I got a new bracelet the other day. It says it's show time. Then it says 90% mental. See? It's really blurry, but whatever. I read it out loud to you guys, so we're all good. And I got some handcuffs too. But I've had those. Anyways, so I'm bored. As I said before. And I'm on my computer again. And for some odd reason, I don't know why. Look what I'm watching. I'm watching Harry Potter. Watching Harry Potter with my kitty. Hi kitty. Hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah, and don't forget guys, make sure you watch all 4 parts. Make sure that you watch all 4 parts of this vlog. Remember, it's the Miss Days vlog. And yeah. So yeah. Beep. Hello. I'm crazy. Look, look, look. Whoa. Wait. This is an interdimensional audience. You did not tell me that's what's gonna happen again. No, not the space-time continuum. Not the space-time continuum. No. Don't destroy the space-time continuum, audience. Don't you dare. Don't you dare destroy audience. Whoa. Brittany, you're destroying the space-time continuum. No! Look, it's me on 2 screens. Ha. I'm bored. I am vlogging. Vlogging. You. Look, it's Brittany. Apparently I didn't kill her. But I will find out where you live, Brittany. Hey. What's up, Brittany? Look. Stupid. Focus. She said I'm a creepy stalker. I'm bored. Goodbye. Hi, I'm bored again. More chatting is going on. Oh, people. No, not a space-time continuum. Again, audience? Really? Space-time continuum? No! I'm bored. Eyeball. I'm staring into your soul, audience. Oh. Hi. Hi. Hi, I'm recording myself on 2 things. I'm crazy. Hi. I'm vlogging, people. I'm bored. I'm freaking bored. I'm freaking bored. Go. Random noises. I'm bored. I have a message on Twitter. Twitter. You, people. Space. I'm bored. Goodbye. Hi. I am awesome. Because I am awesome. Yeah. Okay. That's me for one. And if you sneeze during this, never mind. Battle. I like stuff. Stuff is cool. Stuff. There's a bunch of stuff. Stuff. Oh. Computer. I'm bored. Yeah. I'm so awesome. I am so freaking awesome because I'm so freaking awesome. Yeah, and I'm bored. I'm bored. So yeah, this is food. That is food. Food. I like food. I'm bored. If you sneeze like I did during this video, then bless you. Okay. Hey guys, today Millie on Twitter, she put something like a 10-minute video challenge of trying to do like a Nyan Millie, trying to watch the Nyan Cat spoof. It's like a Nyan Cat spoof. And she dared someone to record themselves for 10 minutes watching it. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. Millie! Seriously, look, I'm watching it. Up, focus. Yeah. This is not getting on my nerves at all. I'm strange like that. Except my arm is hurting. Oh yeah, hi blog. Been about a minute and a half. She said for 10 minutes straight. You're dancing. Got 2 minutes here. Yep. Going on 2.5 minutes. Yes, I'm gonna be double uploading this. Main channel and my vlog channel for the Miss Dave's vlog. Going on 2 minutes here. Gonna have to add a few more seconds here, so. Millie Nine Cat.
What kind of a life? Mighty tight. Inside yourself, boy. Inside your dog. 3 holes, ready, set, go.
Squidward, you are done. You have
Yeah, I'm Little Miss Vlogger over here. Yeah, hi again, vlog. Taking on your challenge, Millie. I went on like 8 hours with Nine Cat. The real Nine Cat. Wow, I have 9 Twitter messages now. Only thing is, the Millies don't match the beat. Halfway through. So dancing. Here. I get distracted very easily. SpongeBob! Okay, back to this. Yeah. Keeping the energy up.
All three holes, ready, set, go! I knew it!
Okay, one more time and I should be good. This is 10 minutes straight. It is Millie. Hi, Millie. Millie. Going on 8 minutes here. Ha ha. 8.5. Going on 9. Ha! Almost rounding it down. Woohoo! I'm gonna keep going just to the end of this video. This one. Hit 10. Yay. With that little intro, it should be about 10 right now.
Figure out, Peter, full fit, mighty tight. Inside yourself, 4, inside your nose. 3 holes, ready, set, go!
Peace out, suckers.